Hi, this is Elizabeth from WTI, and come with me as we visit Brookfield Zoo. This zoo is located right outside Chicago, and here are the must-see animals and attractions. One of the top things I always recommend is the dolphin show. You do have to pay for the dolphin show, but it's very cool. Not only will they teach you about the dolphins, give you some information about how they care for them and how dolphins whistle, but they will also show you the tricks. And yes, there is a splash zone, so if you don't want to get wet, definitely don't sit there. If you want to see the dolphins, but you don't want to have to pay, don't worry. You can go to the underwater viewing area and you can get up close and personal with all the dolphins. And a little secret is if you go there while there's a dolphin show, you can see all the tricks, but from below, and it's definitely a unique experience in its own. Always make sure you have that charger to keep your phone charged and to have the eyeglass cleaner so you can see all those animals. Then see if you can track down the wolf pack. You might be able to spot the three-legged resilient wolf. There's constantly birds just flying everywhere. If you're in any sort of birdhouse, the majority of them have no barrier and they can just roam free and fly around as they please. Also, in the spring and summertime outside, you have the peacocks walking around. Make sure to bring around your favorite snacks with you. Here's a little secret. If you love bats, then check out the Australia House. At the very end, the bats are just flying free. So if you hate them, do not go. One of the other best habitats is the Great Bear Wilderness. There you can find brown bears and polar bears. There's a brother and sister duo that loves goofing off, especially in the summertime. And if it's hot, you might even find them swimming in the water. My favorite part about the zoo since I was a kid has always been the primate house to see the monkeys, orangutans, and gorillas, but it's going to get even better and I am so excited. So they're redoing part of the inside, but also they are building an outdoor habitat. It's going to be 2 full acres. Like that's amazing. So it's going to open in summer 2025. So just make sure to check the website, make sure that it's open, be the first people to come and see it, brand new in the summer. There are so many animals to come visit here at Brookfield Zoo. In the summertime, it's always so exciting. There's so many animals to see outside, but don't worry, even in those cold Chicago winters, there's plenty of animals indoor that are also enjoying life. If you're excited about visiting the zoo, check out the products you've seen in my video below and subscribe for more WTI travel tips and amazing deals. And see you soon.